Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook tempeh Indian style. First, let's prepare our star ingredient. Tempeh, a fantastic plant-based protein, benefits greatly from a quick pre-cook. Steam or boil your block of tempeh for about 10 minutes. This simple step helps to soften it slightly and removes any potential bitterness, making it a perfect canvas for the vibrant Indian spices we'll be using. It truly makes a difference in the final taste and texture. Now for the heart of our Indian-style tempeh, the marinade. In a bowl, combine plain yogurt, a tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste, and a teaspoon each of ground turmeric, cumin, and coriander. You can also add a pinch of red chili powder for heat. Cut your prepped tempeh into 1-inch cubes or half-inch thick triangles. Toss the tempeh in this aromatic mixture, ensuring every piece is coated. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or even better, for 2 to 3 hours, in the refrigerator. With your tempeh beautifully marinated, it's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil, like vegetable or mustard oil, in a large skillet over medium heat. Carefully add the marinated tempeh pieces in a single layer, avoiding overcrowding the pan. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning occasionally, until each piece is golden brown and slightly crispy. This develops a wonderful texture. Alternatively, for a hands-off approach, you can bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, flipping once. Your delicious Indian-style tempeh is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Serve it as a hearty main course alongside fluffy basmati rice and warm naan bread, or as a flavorful side dish with your favorite Indian meal. You can also chop it up and add it to a vibrant vegetable curry, a quick stir-fry, or even use it as a protein-packed filling for wraps and sandwiches. Don't hesitate to experiment with different spice combinations and fresh herbs to truly make this recipe your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.